If you want to block access to mobile data for specific apps on Xiaomi 15T and 15T Pro, first of all we need to go to the security app, which you should be able to find in the app drawer. Now once you go over here, you can find data usage either in common features or in the toolbox. To go to the toolbox, we need to scroll all the way down and then swipe up over here. And there we go, in tools we have the data usage. Now we're gonna go to manage network connection, and in here we have the list of apps. First we have the mobile data for the SIM selected. If you have multiple SIMs, then of course we can switch between them, and you can choose which apps should have access to mobile data and which apps should have blocked access. You can also tap on the app to find some details over here. So you can disable access to mobile data for apps over here individually. You can also tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and find new apps default settings. So you can choose to block access to mobile data by default for every new app that is installed on your phone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.